What are the top 5 altcoins to buy right now? Well, in this video, you guys are going to find out. I'm Ben and welcome to Motivation to Invest. Now, usually we don't cover that much on cryptocurrency on this channel. Usually we cover mostly stock and stock investing, but I've received a number of requests from you guys, so I'm going to dive into my top 5 altcoins in this video. So what is an altcoin? Well, an altcoin is basically any cryptocurrency which is not Bitcoin. Now, we know about Bitcoin already, the digital gold. It was obliterated by one of Elon Musk's tweets about the environmental effects of Bitcoin. And I did state this many times before on this channel. Bitcoin mining actually uses more energy than Argentina. And a lot of the mining which has been going on, around 50% of that mining has actually been happening in China. And many actually institutional investors have called this blood coin, and they don't actually want to touch this type of Bitcoin which cannot be traced in terms of how it's actually mined and the environmental damage. So in this video, we're going to dive into my top 5 altcoins. But remember, guys, before we kick things off, before we get right into this is definitely not financial advice. I wouldn't personally invest any money which you cannot afford to lose in any cryptocurrency. And personally, I wouldn't even call investing into cryptocurrency investing. It's more like speculation. You're basically speculating on whether the price will go up or go down. So I personally limit any cryptocurrency in my portfolio to approximately 5%. And this is also what many institutional investors also do. So many of these big funds, you hear about them buying cryptocurrency, buying Bitcoin, they usually limit it to around 5%. So that's just a bit of advice, but not financial advice, to help you guys out in the market. So with that being said, guys, if you haven't joined the family yet, feel free by hitting that subscribe button, turning that notification bell on. We also have a cryptocurrency community, which is part of our stock investing community, so you can check out that on the crypto channel. There's loads of interesting stuff going on in there. Everybody posts in there the latest news updates with regards to cryptocurrency. So if you want to be part of it there in real time, check out that second link in the description below for details on our VIP membership group. You also get to access exactly which stocks I'm personally buying and selling, and my entire 6-figure portfolio in real time. But with that being said, let's dive in. Okay, so before we get into these top 5 altcoins, I'm going to give you guys an honorable mention, and this is going to come in at coin number 0, despite the incredible returns of this crazy coin, and that is Dogecoin. To the moon! Now, Dogecoin, as many of you guys know, started off as an internet joke, an internet meme, and then it's just gone worldwide thanks to Elon Musk and his many tweets. Now, hopping in right here, we can see if you would have bought at the beginning of the year in January 2021, $1,000 worth of Dogecoin, that would actually be worth right now $121,000. Now, this is serious gains. Like, I know it's a joke and Dogecoin's just completely ridiculous, but return of 12,000% is no joke, guys. So there's a lot of crazy speculation going on in the market. People are making a lot of money. Now, this won't tell you about the people that got caught holding the bag when Elon Musk does a bad tweet about a particular coin. But still, 12,000% gains, that's just incredible. And there's actually talk, and this has actually been confirmed by Elon Musk and SpaceX, that Dogecoin will actually go to the moon. No, seriously, it'll go to the moon. So SpaceX here is launching a satellite called Doge-1 to the moon next year. The mission is paid for in Dogecoin, and it'll be the first crypto in space and the first meme in space. Now, this is serious stuff. It was actually confirmed by SpaceX. So this just shows you the extent that cryptocurrency and blockchain and DeFi is actually taking over the world. So that's why I'm going to reveal to you guys my top 5 altcoin. Okay, so kicking things off at coin number 1 is Ethereum. Now, Ethereum, as many of you guys may know, is a developer platform, and applications, decentralized finance applications, blockchain applications can be built on top of the Ethereum platform. And basically, developers pay a fee in Ether to actually use the platform and actually develop on the system. Now, Ethereum was created by Vitalik Buterin in 2013 and comes with its own programming language, Solidity. So to run your Solidity smart contracts on Ethereum's blockchain, you pay a network gas fee in Ethereum's token, Ether. Now, one of the main issues with Ethereum has been its high fees, which may stop many potential applications in the future. However, as Ethereum converts to version 2.0 over the coming year, fees are expected to decrease dramatically, and a whole host of new decentralized finance apps will get their chance to shine. So this could be an opportunity for Ethereum. But my altcoin number 2 is actually solving many of the problems which Ethereum has already, and that is Cardano, and the coin for that is ADA, so ADA. Now, Cardano is a proof-of-stake cryptocurrency that was created as a research project by engineers, mathematicians, and cryptographic experts. Now, the project was originally co-founded by Charles Hodgkinson, and he was one of the 5 initial founding members of Ethereum, and that's what makes Cardano so special and actually gives Cardano incredible credibility. So the founders of Ethereum have actually created this new cryptocurrency which solves many of the problems which Ethereum actually has. Cardano is also based on a heap load of science. So the team behind Cardano created its blockchain through extensive experimentation and peer-reviewed research. The researchers behind the project have written over 90 papers on blockchain technology across a range of topics, and this research is the backbone of Cardano. Now, Cardano is still in its early stages, and it still has a long way to go to fully compete with Ethereum, because basically all those developers which use Ethereum right now to create applications, they all have to move over to Cardano, and that will take a lot of pushing, a lot of pulling from Cardano. Okay, on to coin number 3, and that is Chainlink. So this is a really interesting one. So Chainlink aims to bring the power of smart contracts into the real world. So here's a simple example of a farm. So let's say a farmer wants to hedge against a bad season. Now, usually it can do this with what's called options. However, the company could also use smart contracts with Chainlink. So the smart contracts filtered through Chainlink pay out insurance claims if values in the contract like share price, temperature, or rainfall do not meet a certain standard. And then it offers instant payouts which deploy as soon as the program receives the appropriate weather data. So this basically allows an automated insurance service for farms and many potential future applications. Okay, on to altcoin number 4, and that is Pokadot, and the coin for that is DOT. Okay, so Pokadot is a unique proof-of-stake currency that is aimed at delivering interoperability among other blockchains. Its protocol basically is designed to connect permissioned and permissionless blockchains, as well as oracles, to allow systems to work together under one roof. Now, where Pokadot differs from Ethereum is rather than allowing developers to actually just build applications on top of Pokadot, Pokadot actually allows developers to create their own blockchain. Okay, finally, token number 5, and that is Bitcoin Cash. Now, Bitcoin Cash holds an important place in history of altcoins because it's one of the earliest and most successful hard forks of the original Bitcoin. Basically, a hard fork happens when these developers of the original Bitcoin, they have an argument, they have a debate, and they say, actually, we want to go in this direction. And then they create their own version of a certain token or coin. And that is where Bitcoin Cash actually was born. Now, Bitcoin Cash was created due to an issue of scalability with the original Bitcoin. The Bitcoin network has a limit on the size of blocks to 1 megabyte. Now, Bitcoin Cash actually increases this block size from 1 megabyte to 8 megabytes, with the idea being that larger blocks can hold more transactions within them, and thus the transaction speed would increase of Bitcoin Cash compared to Bitcoin. Okay, so that's my top 5 altcoins. Here's a quick review. We've got Ethereum, we've got Cardano, we've got Chainlink, we've got Polkadot, and we've got Bitcoin Cash. Where do you guys think these altcoins are heading into the future? Will they continue going to the moon, or will they correct down majorly? I'd love to hear your thoughts, guys. So please do comment below. If you guys did find any value in this video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the channel. Remember, if you do want to join our thriving investor community, or maybe even check out our Ultimate Investing Strategy course, check out that first link in the description below for our VIP membership group and investing strategy course. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all have an incredible day, and I'll see you in my next video. Invest safe.